Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? So, we had a break, quite a huge break. We went with my wife to Paris and on the 10 years anniversary, and we were moving all of this stuff. So almost all furnitures are transferred, there's only wee bits and bobs. And then we'll be tidying up, shelving, stocking inventory on the shelves and registering each item on each location. So that will be probably another month or two for me, if not longer. But hey ho, what can you do? Let's go to the job we had, because that's worth mentioning. Pavel, one of my technicians, yes, he had a MacBook to repair, and I told him, look, you had already your induction to the shorts on the main board, and so I showed you how to not use the thermal camera, because that's a show off many times than anything else. So I said we can use this time. Before you were using the hot method to recognize hot spots and then spray the alcohol and accurately recognize which particular component is faulty. Whereas now I would like to show you, because that's a MacBook A1466, so I can show you, because the schematics are broadly available on the internet, all over the internet. So if he would say to me he can't find it, that would be, like, really. And if you can't find it, you're joining discords or forums or backups or something, and you'll find it. Yes. So no way you cannot find the schematics. It's easy. So A1466, I've opened it before. Actually, he've opened it before, and it was on our desk, and we couldn't recognize shorts quickly. I've seen that there was an issue on the main board, but I didn't know where. So I said, okay, let's put it aside, because that's not a quick fix. We need to remove the board and then go. So we had a time yesterday, and he've done it. He removed the board, and I said, look, now you need to check each coil versus ground, so that you are able to determine on which coils you have a shortage. If you don't see the shortage, take the additional charging board, the charging connector board, connected with the main board. Wait for the green and orange light to kick in, because we had it before. So wait on it, and when there is an orange light, touch the CPU if it's not booting up. Yes, if it's not getting hot, if it shouldn't, but you never know. So touch it, and if it's not getting hot, start to measure on which coils you have voltage and on which you don't. This way you will start to recognize and memorize how MacBooks are created. Yes, where they've got standby voltages. So he started to do it. He couldn't find anything. Yes, but I said, okay, no problem. So I will show you different way, rather than like touching and burning yourself of a hot component. Because you've got 19 volts coming in now, and we didn't have to even use voltage injection in this case. So I said I will open the board view, and I will open the schematics, but let me share display capture, window capture, video capture, window capture. Here we can add one more: Horizon, Chrome, MacBook. That's Microsoft Edge. Okay, so I've opened the schematics. As I said, it's easy to find them. Yes, and I've done that one. Then what I have done is I was switching into the board view to show him stuff. Wait a sec, that's video, that's window capture. Okay, and I was showing him this. Yes, because we've got a licensed software, and this software allows us to run. You can see clear common history here, and recent. Okay, I shouldn't, but okay, we can go to I will open it aside, because I don't know what you see, and if you don't see, okay, so let us open again into the team. Where's Apple here? Oh, I'm not really familiar. Phones, pads, Macs. Okay, Macs, and that I've opened the first Mac. Sorry. I've opened the first one. So the J113, and I've showed him this one. And then we've checked several components. You've got side A and side B. Yes, so we've took the side A, and I said to him that, you know, here's the connection of the power, and we need to follow the power line to see, to understand how it's done. And then he said to me that he felt hot surface. And so it was, I will check the photo because I've got a photo of it. I will show you the photo as well. Okay, so that's the RAM, that's the NVMe. Now 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2. Okay, I know where they are, where we are at. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's this one. Okay, tant poly. Okay, so I don't know if you can spot it. Tant poly. This one. Okay, so one of those two, or those two. Let's look at the photo because, okay, that's the lower ones, sorry. Okay, got it. I'll switch to the picture, okay, and you see this one. He burned himself because he was anxious, you know, and instead of following what I was trying to show him, rather than following all those coils, which we see above here. Oh, you don't see, okay. Oh, you see those coils, and checking the voltages, yes, which ones are missing and so on. He just touched it with his hand, yes, and then he felt some hotness. So I said, okay, well, now it's too late, yes, I can't show you the voltages, the power rails. So all you need to do is spray with an alcohol. And then he sprayed and he found this capacitor, which he started to remove. I said, okay, wait, at least I will take a photo. So the minute he removed this, keep in mind these are parallel, okay? So I said because they are parallel, this will boot up, yes? So you don't need to do anything else, just literally assemble it and test it. It should power on, yes? It should power on because you don't have short anymore anywhere. He did check, he did do the visual inspection before starting the repair, so everything was followed properly, and that's a fix. Now I need to order just that capacitor because I don't have spares for MacBooks, so I just need to order spares. That's a Tantallion or something. Those capacitors, I meet them every so often. They are even in PlayStations and so on. So yeah, so I will order them, and that's it. And we've got a fix. Yes, one small capacitor costs a no fix. We can't leave it without one capacitor because the capacitance is for a reason. Yes, so. Yes, we could give it back to the customer, and I've said to the customer, you know, like, how quickly you want, and he said, no, it's just personal laptop, I don't use it so often, yes. I said, okay, so I won't be treating it as an urgent matter. I will just use regular ordering, and I will get it for you. So yes, why this died? No idea. If anybody knows, comment down below. I've got no idea why this died, but we see many times half a grain of the rice size of the component, or like this is higher. It's probably about a few grains. Actually, speaking about the devil, yes, don't know if you are able to see. If I will do it here, I would show you that that's the fella. It's a bit too bright for my liking. Come on, don't be shy. Okay, so that's the fella. That's how big it is. You can see my finger and you can see this component. So anyways, you see, a simple fix for us, a complicated for some, and simple for others as well. No issues. This customer was extremely lucky that something, you know, hard didn't burn, like CPU or GPU, or, you know, just something more serious. This way we can put it back to use quite quickly, and that's all I wanted to show you guys. So again, you see a lot of moving. That photo was taken with my King Kong 9, by the way, so you can see that's not even 100 megs photo, that's just about 20 megs, I think. Photo, it's a really vivid photo of the cup. Yes, this, and that's magnified already, so it has some lack of sharpness here and there, but at the end of the day, it's really nice phone and really nice photos. So from next year we will be probably getting the spare parts and starting to resell it. Yes, thank you guys for watching. That's all I wanted to show you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.